video, I will show you how completely we validate our application using regular expression in Java. So for that, first of all, go to File, go to New Project, and choose Java application. Go to Next and give your registration form. Registration, right? Right click on Finish, and this is our registration package. Go to New and go to JFrame form and type registration form, right? So go to Finish. Now you will have this form. So in this form, you just back panel and design it like in previous videos. In previous videos, I already told you how to design these all things. Go to right click and go to properties and go to border, line border, and give thickness how much you want. Okay, I will use 4 and I will use the color, right? And I will use panel label to write something here, and regis- registration form validation validation, right? So go to properties, change the font size 3624 in this way, and if you want to change color, go for foreground and change your color, right? And then right, okay. Now in this you need to have his username, passport, email, and everything. For that I will use text field, nothing here, and I will set for font size for this bold 14 or 18, okay? So that, and color black only, we will put black, and none change other than this, right? All right, now copy this one and paste it here. Again copy, paste it here. Again copy, paste it here. Again copy, paste it here, right? Now again copy, paste it here. All right, now take label, name, and go to properties, font size bold 18, right? And copy it paste it, drag it, again paste it, again paste it, drag and drop it here, right? Paste it. Alright, now change these values: name, email, phone number, father name, name, email, phone number, father name, address, and password, right? Now other than this, you need to have is gender, right? Use this one, and edit text, gender, and use radio button here, radio button, male, female, right? Right click here, go to properties, go to text, font size, bold, 14, finish. Bold and size 14 and finish it. Okay. Now after choosing this, thus you need to have is button, submit or cancel. Submit button, cancel button, exit button. Okay. So now I have only one button. Okay, I will design this button, font size bold 24, and I will change this text, cancel. I will delete this one. I will copy this, copy, paste, copy, paste, right? Now change text, edit text, submit, cancel, and exit, right? So change your variable name, email, phone, F name, other name, address, pass, mail, Gmail, F mail, right? And go to submit button, right click on it and go to events, action perform. In this button, before going to this button, you have to check each and everything in our text field. So for that, just go here, right click on it, go to events and go to key events and go to key type or key released event, right? Key released event. This is key release event for first button. So type here. First of all, you need to have pattern, right? I already told you. Import java dot util dot regular expression dot star, right? So this is the package you need to have to match regular expression pattern with your string. So on key release, thus I need to have is string pattern. Now give pattern and it starts with exponential and give in bracket. In username, just you need to have alphabet, right? And capital A or Z, from capital A to Z, or 0 to 9, right? And your username length should be from 5 to 30. This is your length of username. And then at the end of this username, just what you will have is dollar symbol. It indicates the your pattern, end of pattern, right? Now with pattern pat is equal to pattern dot compile. You need to compile this pattern, right? Okay, after you need to have, after compiling this one, you need to have measure match is equal to pattern dot measure. Okay, now what you need to match means just whatever you are taking from your name dot get text, right? We'll match that on get text. Taking the values from this button, it will match with your pattern. If it is matching, if match dot matches, if not equal to matches, because we have to write error, right? Now to write error, I will use here on label edit text nothing, and then I'll go to properties. I will change foreground red, and then font size italic 12, right? Alright, copy this one and paste, again paste, again paste it, again paste it for each and everything, right? Now change variable name. Yep, lab label, G label, email label, phone label, other name label, yep, it's already ready, so change this one, ft tab, okay, and this add lab, and finally password key lab. So it already exists, so change this with another name, pass lab. Okay, everything is fine now. So go here, and now this is yanlab dot, so what given here, yanlab. Okay, yanlab dot set text, name, naming is incorrect. Alright, else do nothing, because else it matches with pattern, so do nothing. If it is not matching with pattern or pattern, it should say naming is incorrect. Okay, so even we will not include this number in our name. So let's run this and check it out. Now use 1 to 3. See, naming is incorrect, so it should establish some name, right? So after, if it is else, we have to else and lab dot set text, we have to set null, because it is, if it is matching, so it should say null. Okay, so yes, see, because I have given here 5, right? Until unless it reaches 5, it will say, it won't check this pattern. So give here 0 0 and run it again. Now type here, right? It is not showing, means if you include number, it will say naming is incorrect. This is how to validate your user input in Java using regular expression. So if you type something here, see comma, even it is not taking comma, because our pattern is only for A to Z in small letter and capital letter. See, keep capital A. No, it is matching, right? So if you want to accept number comma and everything in naming there is no comma, so if you want to accept number just give here from 0 to 9 and compile it, run it, and you will get this one. And now see number, even number is also accepting, right? If you give comma dot, it is saying naming is incorrect, right? So for that purpose we are using this one. If you use here special symbol, these are special symbol, comma dot, comma dot, and whatever, slash, everything, use this and check it out. Okay, after doing this, thus you need to check for each and everything that we have been check, number, comma, see, now I am giving dot, comma dot, it is accepting, dot is there, right? So I will remove this one. Okay, so I will use this number and alphabet for in naming. So to this email, go to events, go to key, and go to key released event, and just define pattern. Up here it is same, right? Copy this and paste it here. Just change email, means we need to have email pattern, means I will say pattern email @ symbol and then gmail.com, right? So for this we need to have pattern @ and then again we need to have A to Z, small A to Z, right? And 0 to not 5, 10, and then after that dot operator, and use again A to Z, or capital A to Z, capital Z, right? Now this is pattern for email. So if you have to check this thing also, copy it and paste it here. Instead of name, use email. From email box, it is then email, use email. Email is incorrect, right? So run it, email, you also need @gmail.com, right? This is the valid format, but it is showing here. So here use @ 0 to 9, and then this one thing dot, we'll put dot in quotation. Okay, let's try, let's check. It's saying email is incorrect, so our pattern is not matching here. So use here dot operator and then check it out. Okay, @gmail.com. Now for this also just give length 0 to 5. Okay, now run it. Email @gmail.com. Now it is matching, so it is not saying anything here. In this way you have to match each and everything. If there is no symbol, email is incorrect. If there is no dot, incorrect, right? So dot should be there and symbol. Okay, so in this way you have to validate your email. Now for phone, copy dissolve pattern and go to design, go to phone, go to events, key released, and paste it here. For phone number there is no need of alphabet, so just give 1 to 0 to 15. No, only 12, and then just give font, font and key lab, right? Key lab and font is incorrect. Okay, and for next, father name, use this one. Go to key event, key released, and just copy. It's already copied and paste it here. So there's no pair flag, right? Let's check this one. Was that? Oh, for this, right? So FT lab. Now use instead of F lab, use FT lab, and FT lab. Okay. Go next. Go to address. In address, you need to have number also, right? So for that, go to events. Go to key events, and then key events, and key release, right? So in this, you need to have its address number. Okay, so if it is not matching, means it should say address incorrect, right? And here give address. Okay, and use here address lab, right? And then for password can be anything, a special character or anything other, right? So go here, events, key released, and copy and paste it, but change here in your pattern, means it should be start with numbered alphabet, numbered, and combination of comma, symbol, comma, symbol, dot, and so on, right? dot and again a to z, a to z, and capital A to capital Z, again number, right, and give length some, give 0 to 10. Okay, so change your passcode, pass, and pass lab, pass lab, right. Run it. Incorrect, incorrect, right. Password again. Got it. It will accept, password will accept everything, so that, let's check. And now go to design and go to submit, exit it over here. Okay, now go to submit button, go to events, go to action, action perform, and then put message, and message Jackson 10 dot show message dialog box, dialog personal, and message success full validation, right. So message, and go here, add import, right, and then go to cancel, go to events, action, action performed, thus go here and cancel all those things. Okay, means you just need to have name dot set text. Now, and then go to exit, action, events, action, action performed, and thus first go here, j frame, jf, and then jf dot dispatch, right. Now run this app, run an application and check it out. Now I will use Python because that I haven't given there for space, so it will say name is incorrect, right. So if you type together Python email, Python llama @gmail.com, now it is fine. If you are not using here dot, means it is saying email is incorrect, and 8297221916 phone is correct, other name G, right, G GT, address India, right, password, use password, check mail and submit. It is saying successful validation. Okay,